A new exhibition at Trieste's Magazzino delle Idee explores a century of architecture across Italy-Slovenia border.
Here we are in the rooms of the Magazzino delle Idee, where today the exhibition Le Affinità di Confine, so Border Affinities, is due to open. The exhibition comprises a number of diptychs, or photographs, portraying buildings on either side of the Italian-Slovenian border. This year is the year when we celebrate Nova Gorica and Gorizia, European capitals of culture, and the motto is "Go Borderless." So we wanted to stress through architectures that this border that has long divided the communities, and that at some stage was a very strong border, it was the Iron Curtain even, as a matter of fact, was much weaker from a cultural point of view, and the architectures spanning throughout a century underscore this relationship in cultural terms between two communities, the style of the architectures, the symbolic meaning they have, and the features underline the unity that linked Italy and Slovenia throughout the last century.